Guys, in this video I want to show you how to clone your old device or old smartphone. If you, for example, you've bought a new smartphone and you need to transfer everything from the old device to the new device. So let's start. I have two devices. The one Redmi is my old, and then I have the Vivo, my new device. So you need to go and search clone. Just search clone. So there is nothing like that in Redmi, which is my old device. So I can search clone here, and then you will see EasyShare. Okay. So if you are using, for example, Redmi, my old device is Redmi 10A, which is quite old. You can just go to your Google Play Store and download EasyShare. So I was able to download EasyShare. Then I just search EasyShare. Search easy, and then click on it. Then you just follow the you need if you're cloning. So Vivo is my new device. Then clone. Redmi you cannot, there's some devices you cannot import, but you can export. For example, Redmi. So you go to export, and then this device you are importing, and then you select the type of old device, which is Android. So it's not Huawei, it's not Apple, it's not Vivo, it's other device. Then you scan the QR code. Okay. After you scan the QR code, just scan the QR code. Got it? So if you can't connect, just manually connect. Go to settings. There are several instructions. For example, yeah, I'll go to other settings. So okay, after you done that, you can just click start cloning. So I will not do that because I already did that. I've already transferred everything I need, my photos, stuff, etc. So I will not repeat that process, but that is the procedure. So um I don't think you're going to have any problems after that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.